Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return an AliExpress item. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to My Orders tab. Now find order that you want to return, tap on it to open its details and go to button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should approximately look like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions. And the first question is, did you receive your item? And the answer should be yes. The next question is, do you want to return your item? Select yes answer as well. Then you have to provide a reason why you basically request your return. So tap this arrow right here and you will see a list of reasons. So pick one reason that best describes your situation. Tap continue button. And now in this line you can indicate a refund amount. Of course, if you want to get your refund, tap continue button and confirm your return method. So there are two methods available. The first one is AliExpress free return service and second one is self drop off. So think about it and decide for yourself which method will work out for you better. And tap continue button. Now we can provide more information in this box. So you can write a few sentences where you in details explain what exactly happened and describe your issue more like in details, so that you have higher chances that seller will approve your request for return. And finally, you can upload photo, videos or screenshots as evidence. And of course, in the very end, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests take a few business days to be processed, so you should wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure that you get your free return label. So in order to find it, you need to go to My Orders tab, then open order that you want to return and go to dispute page, and there you should see your free return label. But pay attention that for this you have a deadline of 5 days, and if you miss this deadline, that means that your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute. But this label is very important because without it you will not be able simply to send your item back. So download your label and print it out and stick your label to your parcel. And you have 15 days after you receive your label to drop off your parcel at the nearest post office. And then after you do it, you just need to simply wait until your package arrives to your seller back. So that were the main things, that were the main points on how you can return an AliExpress item, but still I have some more information on how to do it. So in order to access it, you need to open whatever item from your home page, like literally whatever item. Scroll down to section free returns right here, tap learn more, and scroll down to section free returns, tap view more, and now you have it. So here you can see detailed step-by-step instruction how to do it, how to make a return, and also some additional information about returns and also refunds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.